Hello friends, welcome to our channel Pythonji. Today we are going to learn how to draw the Free Fire logo using Python Turtle graphics. So let's start. First go to search bar and search for ideally Python 3.11 for 64-bit. Open it. Then you can see ideally shell 3.11.0 is open. Go to file and select new file or press Ctrl plus N to get a new file. Now you can see a untitled page is open. So write your code here to draw Free Fire logo. So first we need to import the necessary libraries. We will be using the Turtle graphic libraries in Python. So first import Turtle. So this is our code to write Free Fire logo using Python Turtle graphics. So let's have a look. Let's move space by space, line by line. So first we select our background color as black, then pen color as white. Then we add some details related to logo like the flame design, choosing color, speed, circle, pen down, go to, and many more. As you can see here, if you want this code, you can go to my Telegram channel and you can get it from there. So this is our code. Let's run it. Before run the program, we have to save the program because without saving any program, we can't run it. So go to save or press Ctrl plus S. So save this program. Then go to run or press F5 to run the module. Now Python Turtle graphics is open and you can see the logo of Free Fire. And that's it. We have successfully drawn the Free Fire logo using Python graphics. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos and check out our new videos. Thanks for watching.